Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Twilight Builders, back at our job site again today, Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, episode 5. We have made some great progress on this project. I'd like to show you around. Okay, here we are in our large dining and kitchen space. What you can see here is that we've had our beam put in. Oh, this looks so good. We're gonna wrap it with drywall, and then our posts are gonna be wrapped with wood trim so that they resemble cabinet installation, so they're a little bit more decorative in that application. Our pantry got bigger because we had to adjust that wall location to help support the beam and not have to have additional posts in the kitchen. And so then with our larger pantry, now we can see through to our butler's pantry over here on this side of the kitchen. Over here is our dining space, and it's going to stay our dining space. Fireplace is getting changed out. We've had to do some creative thought process and the calculations of how to fit what in this opening. Homeowners truly want a gas unit, and those gas units are sold as a self-contained box. So you've got to have a bigger opening than what your actual fire is. Put it behind the drywall and then finish the exterior of it. These are our new soffits with our flex duct work through them so that all that duct can get across this space and over into the dining room to really balance out the air in these spaces. One of our highest priorities is to make sure, as we're working with homes in Arizona, that we balance the air well for air conditioning to work to the best of its ability. This is where our vent hood's gonna go. So we've got the duct for that just propped up in place so that it can account for being wrapped around by the flex duct. What we were able to do is lift the ceiling here in this hallway. So we were trying to make sure that this space felt open and didn't have a closed off ceiling space. So we stopped our soffit here at what is this new end wall for the kitchen. And then the soffit just lives below the ceiling here through the hall so that all these spaces have great service. There's going to be a service to this living room space over here. And then the other one that came off the entry is there. And then this one off the kitchen. As I'm walking around, as we've got all these lines marked out, we've got some new underground plumbing pipes we have to run. Cast iron pipes in the house now. They're a little over 50 years old. That cast iron just gets cracks in it and tree roots can grow through it. So in this application, because we've got some real blocked up pipes coming off the kitchen, we're replacing some ductwork throughout the house. The yellow green area, that's gonna all be cut out so all that cast iron can be replaced. And we've got this other bathroom too. So you can see we've got these areas marked out in here and this area marked out in here. This is the office. Those cabinets are gonna be coming out. This floor is gonna get cut up. This floor over here is gonna get cut up. In the end, the homeowners are going to have this safety and satisfaction of knowing that this isn't going to go bad on them again, that they shouldn't have any plumbing leaks, and that all of this is securely created a basically brand new home for them. So we're here in the master bedroom going into the master bathroom, and you can see we've got several holes here. What we've done is rerouted some of the ductwork so that we can balance the air in the master bedroom with a larger service here. This one just to the left of the hall doorway. We're taking out the soffit at the end of the hallway, so that ceiling will be raised up and that'll be nice. So this closet in here before was at a 7-foot ceiling height down where you can see that framing member right out there in front of us. And now half of the ceiling's gonna live at an 8-foot ceiling height, and about half is going to live down at the 7-foot. But it really opens up the space as you walk into it. It'll make it feel larger and a little bit more spacious. This is going to serve the other master closet now, and then they're running flex duct off of it so that we can serve the water closet that's going to be enclosed also. Joel and his team are so great to work with on this for us so that we can be assured that all the air is balanced well. They also install our venting for our ventilation units that are within the shower. The one on the left there is for in the shower. The one on the right is for in the water closet. So we're going to have great ventilation. It's great progress, just fantastic progress in these spaces.